Hi everyone, my name is Duncan, and today we're going to look at the Karaoke Machine Kit that PLS has available for member public libraries to borrow. This can be used to support programming or for staff to become familiar with items before purchasing their own. The Karaoke Machine Kit is available for members to borrow for up to 3 weeks. Included in the kit is the karaoke machine, 3 mics, a laser magic ball, the PLS lending policy, an inventory list, and instructions. Let's take a look at how to use the karaoke machine. To turn on the machine, press the power on button. There is also an LED button on the left side that turns off the machine's flashing lights. The microphones easily connect by switching them on. There are 3 mics total, and batteries are included. There are 2 ways to connect your music, with wires and wirelessly. To connect your smart TV and use its YouTube app, plug the RCA male-to-male audio cable cord into your TV. Plug the other end into the aux-in port in the machine. Now, any sounds playing from the TV will play through the machine. To connect a device, such as a phone, tablet, or laptop, plug the 3.5mm male-to-male audio cable into the headphone jack of your device. Plug the other end into the aux-in port of the machine. Any sound coming from your device will now play through the machine. To use a USB or micro SD card preloaded with music files, insert the USB or card into the machine. Press the mode repeat button until it says line. Now you can press play to start the music files and use the arrows to skip songs. To use Bluetooth, press the mode repeat button until it says BT. Open the Bluetooth settings on your device and select and connect to FFS8T. Any songs or YouTube videos you choose will now play through the machine. This is the mode repeat button you will need to press to change between Bluetooth and memory card use. There is a power adapter included to charge the karaoke machine. We recommend not plugging in the adapter while using the machine. Always charge when not in use. You will notice there are 3 volume dials on the machine. The left one is the amount of echo that the microphones give off. The right one is the microphone volume, and the center one is the master volume, affecting both microphone and music volume. We've also included a laser magic ball to help set the tone of your karaoke party. There is a remote to adjust the type of lights and lasers used. Please do not allow children to operate the laser ball, and do not stare into the lasers coming out, as it may cause eye discomfort. The laser is a Class 3R laser and does not require eye protection of any kind. If interested, there is more information included in the kit instructions. Please pack up the kit the same way that items are sent. If you notice missing or damaged items, please contact the consulting department and we will see that they are replaced or dealt with. To request the karaoke machine kit, please check the current procedures on the PLS website under Programming Kits. If you want to learn more about the kit or you have ideas for future kits, please contact the consulting department.